देखा जाए तो आप मिस इंडिया वर्ल्ड अर्थ बन गए हैं। इस धरती की सुंदरी बनकर आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
I'm so excited to have won Miss India Earth. It's such an honor that I'm going to be representing my country, and it hasn't quite settled in. I've been wearing the crown lots, and the feeling hasn't sunk that I'm going to be representing my country in such a prestigious way.
अगर बात की जाए तो आपकी ड्रीम की बात की जाए तो आपका बचपन से सपना क्या है? What is your dream?
My dream has always been to become Miss India. I'm actually studying to become a doctor, so I'm doing my MBBS. But somehow I knew along the way that I always wanted to be a Miss India. So here I am, and I'm here to pursue that dream. But now my next dream will be to conquer the earth and bring the Miss Earth crown to India.
फिल्मों में आपका इंटरेस्ट है?
Everyone seems to ask that Bollywood question. I think for the time being, my focus is really on fulfilling my role as Miss India. But life always presents so many opportunities, and if it's Bollywood, Hollywood, if something like that comes up, I'll definitely consider it because I'd be silly to let an opportunity go to waste.
अगर बात की जाए बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स, योर फेवरेट बॉलीवुड एक्टर?
My favorite Bollywood actor, I would have to say Hrithik Roshan. I love him. I think he's so talented. He's really great on screen, brilliant dancer, lots of personality, and a great smile.
एक्ट्रेस की बात की जाए तो what is your favorite?
My favorite actress, I really like Priyanka Chopra. She was actually one of the judges at our contest. And yeah, I think she's beautiful, she speaks well, and she can play a lot of different roles. So Priyanka Chopra would be my favorite actress.
अगर आपको फिल्मों में आगे चांस मिलता है तो आप किस एक्टर के साथ काम करना पसंद करेंगे?
What actor I'd like to work with? What did you say, sorry?
आप किस एक्टर के साथ काम करना चाहेंगे?
English.
English?
Yeah, just tell me what you said.
Who's your favorite actor you work with it?
I haven't worked with
Any Bollywood actor you work with it?
that I want to work with. Okay, like I said before, my favorite actor is Hrithik Roshan, so I'd love to do a movie with him. I'd love to dance, and yeah, because he's such a brilliant dancer, so it'll probably make me look better.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
thank you.